Welcome to the OnDemond course platform and player. In this video we will explain and demonstrate how you can easily navigate through your OnDemond course. Your main tabs are here at the top left-hand side of your screen. These are Introduction, Course, Progress, and Ask a Question. First we are going to take a look at the Introduction tab. In the first section here, you will find your course handouts. Please download these before commencing the course. In the next section, you will see a list of the course learning objects and their outcome statements. The total running time of this course is displayed in hours and minutes here. You may access a specific learning object by clicking the respective link. The following sections provide you with information about your course instructor and your on-demand training. You will also find the student support, frequently asked questions, and system requirements in this section. The Course tab here will bring you to your course and content. To the left of the screen, you will see the slide for the section you are presently working on. By pressing the star here, you can add your personal notes to the displayed slide. To the right, you will find your course outline, from where you can access the introduction to the course and lab requirements and the individual course sections. Here you can also see the duration of each learning object, how many slides each learning object contains, and how many of these you have viewed. You can also access the quizzes via the quiz links here. Here you can access the course book panel, which includes supporting text for each course slide and duplicates the material from your printed course books. The Saved Slides tab contains a list of all slides for which you have added a note. By selecting the search field, you can look for and access certain terms within the slide titles, slide text, and course book. At the lower part of your screen here, you will find the course player controls. These are the play button, the previous slide button, the next slide button, the jump back button, which will take you back 15 seconds, the audio speed rate buttons, and the mute button. The volume can be adjusted by clicking within the volume scale here. By checking the autoplay box, the course will run through continuously, stopping only at the end of each learning object. To the right of the control buttons, you will see a panel bar displaying the slide duration in minutes and seconds. The player head within the bar indicates the position you are at within the slide audio. By clicking directly within the bar, you can go to any place within the audio. To the lower left here, you will find a drop-down menu for the slide selector, from where you can go directly to a particular slide you wish to view. The titles marked with an asterisk are the slides that have not yet been viewed. By moving your cursor into the lower section of the video, you can select the resolution size you will be using for playback. You can select between a 720p format or a 480p format for lower bandwidth situations. The slide can also be viewed in full screen mode. You can return to normal view by clicking the full screen button again, or by pressing the escape button on your keyboard. Please note that the video controls may differ slightly depending on your browser. They will, however, generally behave the same. At the lower right-hand side of your screen, you will find your screen adjustments. By clicking the Slides button, you will have a view of the slide only. By clicking the Text button, you will have a full view of the course outline or the course book panel. By selecting the Both button, you will have the standard split view for both the slide and course outline or course book panel. The thumbnail view can be used while in Slides or Both view and will allow you to see all the slides at once. You can navigate directly to a particular slide by clicking on it. Click the Thumbnails button again to return to normal view. To take a quiz for a particular section, make sure you are in outline view and click the link to the left of the slide title here. Click the Begin button to start the quiz. Here you will see how many quiz questions are designated for this section, how many questions you have answered correctly, and how many have been answered incorrectly. The questions are multiple choice and displayed in the box here. Select and check one of the answers below and press the Submit button. If your answer is incorrect, the correct answer and a link to the explanation will be displayed. Now, let's take a look at the Progress tab. Here you can see the individual learning objects, the slides that have been viewed by you, how many questions each learning object has, and your scores. You can access the quiz to each learning object via the link here. Your overall progress is displayed in the box at the upper right-hand corner of your screen. Once you have completed the course, a banner will appear at the top of your screen with a link to the certificate of completion for you to download. In order to successfully complete the course, you must view 80% of the slides and pass 80% of the quizzes with a score of 80% or higher. By clicking the Ask a Question button, you will have the opportunity to submit questions to a subject matter expert regarding content, labs, and quiz questions. If you wish to receive a copy of your question, check the Send Me a Copy box here. Each course has a designated online subject matter expert who is available via email or live chat for questions regarding the course content and technical support. During office hours, the live chat support option will be available at the bottom left of your course page. This concludes your introduction to the SANS OnDemond course player. We thank you for choosing to train with SANS OnDemond and hope that you will enjoy your training.